Hey guys! Welcome to Malamaya channel. My name is Gray and this video is all about my first mechanical keyboard, which is the Keychron K6. Check it out! So this is the Keychron K6. And as you can see, it comes in a full telescopic box packaging with a UV coating of the illustrated version of the K6 at the top. Full disclosure, I've already unboxed it. In fact, I've been using this as my daily driver for about a week now, but I'm still gonna show you what comes inside the box in case you decide to purchase this mechanical keyboard. There's the Type-C USB cable, extra keycap puller, switch puller, manual. Now let's get to the keyboard itself. This is the Keychron K6 in the RGB backlight aluminum frame version. I ordered this directly at their website and I picked out the hot swappable switch type, then a Gateron brown option. It is also available in versions that are white backlight and RGB backlight, both with a plastic frame. Also, it can be Gateron mechanical or LK optical with blue, brown, or red switch options. For a quick tour of the device, the USB Type-C port, device option switch, and the connectivity and power switch are on the left side of the keyboard. Turning it over, it has two foldable legs option so you can adjust the angle. All in all, this 65% compact keyboard has 68 keys. It has an ANSI layout with OEM profile keycaps that are made of ABS plastic. They both provide Mac and Windows keycaps. I really like that the USB Type-C port is at the side and the cable included matches this design decision. It gives a unique identity to this keyboard, but this can impact your option if you're looking at customized cables because of the direction it will go. The top features why I picked this to be my first mechanical keyboard is because it can be wired or wireless. It supports Mac and Windows devices, and it has 4000 mAh battery that lasts up to 80 hours of normal use. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this content useful, please hit like and comment on what are your thoughts or questions about the Keychron K6 and I'll try to get back to you on that. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you'll be updated on the next video. See you in the next one.